In a significant step towards transparency and boosting public confidence in the judiciary, the Supreme Court has uploaded the assets and liabilities of the judges on its website. This is the first time in history that the assets declaration of the Supreme Court judges have been made public. Presently, the declarations of Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna and 20 other judges, including the 3 judges who are next in line to be the CJI in the near future, have been uploaded. This move is after the full court meeting led by CJI Sanjeev Khanna on 1st April, where all judges agreed to make their declarations public. The decision came in the backdrop of the controversy surrounding the alleged recovery of cash from official premises of Justice Yashwant Verma while serving as a judge of the Delhi High Court. Previously, Supreme Court judges were required to submit their asset statements to the CJI, but these submissions remained confidential. Now, the full court has resolved that placing the declaration of assets on the Supreme Court website will be mandatory. Also, let me tell you, the Supreme Court has uploaded the complete process of appointment of judges to the High Court and the Supreme Court on its website for the knowledge and awareness of the public. The proposals approved by the Supreme Court Collegium for appointments as High Court judges during the period of 9th November 2022 to 5th May 2025, including the names, High Court, source, whether from service or bar, date of recommendation by the Supreme Court Collegium, date of notifying by Department of Justice, date of appointment, special category, and whether the candidate is related to any sitting or retired High Court judge or Supreme Court judge have also been uploaded on the Supreme Court website. According to these details, out of 303 candidates, the Supreme Court Collegium approved 170 appointments for High Courts, including 7 judges from SC, 5 from ST, and 21 from OBC, 28 from women, 23 minorities, and 12 related to judges, and 7 from the most backward classes categories. From November 2024 to 5th May 2025, that is during the CJI Sanjeev Khanna's term, the Supreme Court Collegium approved 51 appointments for High Courts out of 103 candidates. Out of 51, 11 belong to OBC, 1 belongs to Scheduled Caste, 2 belong to Scheduled Tribes, 8 are from minorities, 6 are women, and 2 are related to the sitting or retired judges of the High Court or Supreme Court. From the 170 recommendations made between November 2022 to November 2024, 17 are still pending before the government. From the 51 recommendations from November 2024 till 5th May this year, 12 names are still pending with the government. Well, to read about this in detail, you can visit www.livelaw.in.